Here.
Hey, anybody got some forceps?
Marshall.
Same thing.
I got it on camera.
It's not the same thing. It's got like a
Use the
fucking
place.
you can
lump in its
You just have to get it by the lip.
Jack, are you bleeding or is that the fish?
You got that side.
Got it? Yeah, we're never going to catch a northern that takes
Snake.
a
Oh, he
hooked. He's snagging.
Who's got those? Who's got the pliers?
Come on! So that's what, 2? Top of his head. When they get in the light, they're like gold.
Well, I was in the weeds too.
That. It was in the weeds. Dad, you need this?
No, I'm
Give it some slack. Yeah, I think there's a bite going on now. No, that's fine. It was still.
He was still sucking.
It was still. We kind of scattered those tip up. Yeah. Me and Ben have 2. There's 2 down there, and then there's some mixed in kind of where everybody's fishing. I had to lose the quotas, and then they have some, I don't know, wearing me down. Yeah, it's like a parachute kind of. Yeah, I didn't see it spin. Yeah.
That came off.
Fuck that thing up pretty good.
How big is it? It doesn't look that big for the bass.
Nice
Oh, they're running now.
Did it sound weird or what?
Yeah.
Just a little bit.
What's that? Oh, because he was.
That might be a master angler.
I picked it up.
18.
What did you do to that thing? Got it?
There's some water.
Come on, hold that thing.
I am.
Of course, when Sam leaves, the fish are biting. The aqua view all tangled up.
Andrew.
Shoot. I gave it to Hein.
Nice release. He said take it.
She's.
Got it? Oh, there's something on there. Let's try a bass.
Oh! 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 Back.
Let it run, let it run, let it run, let it run. Bring it up. Oh, it's just a snake. Oh,
we got a pike on that right there. What?
What do you guys say about that fish?
I gotta say, let's go. Not here. Reed.
Me and Jacqueline, give her a
I got
kiss.
a present for you, Jack.
SD card?
In
Brothers
exchange
out of
for
his off-brand GoPro.